Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you um a deepfake system that works on your normal day-to-day laptop, that's non-gaming laptops. So this can actually work on your laptop. It is connected to the cloud. All it needs is a very big like very good network. You just have to have good network and you're good to go. So this is my PC here that I'm going to be using to test run this. As you can see, this is just a normal PC that doesn't have any Nvidia stuff. It does not have any Nvidia stuff. There's nothing like an Nvidia here. So it doesn't have any graphics card. The graphics card is just the one that is in the system. That's the one that's in every normal system. I think 120 MB or so. So I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be starting up that stuff and showing you what it needs. It needs your network to be faster. It needs just your network. It needs it to be faster. As you can see, this is even an improvement from deepfake because like it gives you the air, it gives you like every other the things or the every other thing that person like features of the person's body. So it gives you the clothes that the person is wearing in that picture. It gives you the features of that person's body basically. So this is this is an upgrade. So you can get it from the link down below this very video. And also there are other versions that I'll be releasing. There are other versions of this. There are a lot of versions. There are other versions I'll be releasing. Yeah, but this is one of the best for now. But there are other versions I'll be releasing. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.